Not every business tool requires a massive warehouse or a bank-breaking loan. In fact, some of the smartest, most profitable machines for small business owners and side hustlers are just a click away on Amazon. Today, at Top Buy Lab, we're skipping the fluff. We've curated a list of 30 practical, profit-friendly machines that can help you launch a new brand, grow your current hustle, or upgrade your production line from your own garage. All the links to these machines are in the description below. Let's get to work. Number 30. SCIO Inflatable Cash Cube. Marketing is all about attention, and nothing draws a crowd quite like a whirlwind of flying money. This inflatable cash cube is an engaging, high-energy way to attract foot traffic at trade shows, grand openings, or local festivals. Participants step inside and try to grab as much cash or high-value coupons as they can within a time limit. Priced at around $250, it's a one-time marketing investment that pays for itself in brand exposure and lead generation. Users love its quick setup and the festive atmosphere it instantly creates. Number 29. Large Combo Vending Machine. If you're looking for truly passive income, the vending business is a classic for a reason. This modern combo unit provides a sleek solution for both snacks and beverages in a single, space-saving footprint. For around $4,000, you're getting a machine equipped with cashless payment systems and energy-efficient cooling. It's perfect for office break rooms, local gyms, or small retail spaces. With the right high-traffic location. Number 28. Weber Vinyl Cutter. The custom decal and signage market is massive, and the Weber Vinyl Cutter is your entry ticket. For under $300, this machine offers precise cutting for vinyl, paper, and fabric. Its built-in Bluetooth connectivity means you can send designs straight from your laptop or phone without fumbling with cables. Whether you're making custom car decals, window signs for local shops, or heat transfer vinyl for apparel, this machine is a reliable workhorse that scales easily with your business. Number 27. Pico Brew Z-Series. Brewing craft beer used to require massive copper vats and years of apprenticeship. Now, for an investment of about $2,000, the Pico Brew Zadig brings professional-grade whole-grain brewing to your garage. This system simplifies the complex chemistry of brewing into an automated process managed via your phone. You get access to over 100 award-winning recipes, and the machine handles the heavy lifting in about 4 hours. With its included 19-liter keg, you can start small batch production for local bars or private events. Number 26. Weber Chamber Vacuum Sealer. If your side hustle involves food, be it artisanal jerky, aged cheeses, or bulk meal prep, preservation is everything. This chamber vacuum sealer, priced at roughly $330, offers far more power than a standard kitchen sealer. It's designed to handle liquids and heavy-duty packaging, significantly extending the shelf life of your products. It's a sturdy industrial feeling tool that allows you to package items in bulk, reducing waste and increasing your profit margins. Number 25. Cricut Easy Press 3. The custom apparel market is highly competitive, but the Easy Press 3 gives you the professional finish needed to stand out. It combines the speed of an industrial heat press with the convenience of an iron. Using the Cricut app, you can dial in the exact temperature and timing for different fabrics, ensuring your designs won't peel after the first wash. It's compact enough for a home office, but powerful enough for a small fashion boutique. Number 24. Automatic Oil Press Machine. Health-conscious consumers are moving away from mass-produced seed oils toward fresh, cold-pressed alternatives. This 1,500-watt machine allows you to press oil from nuts and seeds effortlessly. It operates quietly, below 70 decibels, making it suitable for home use. You can produce high-quality organic peanut, walnut, or sesame oil to sell at farmers markets or through a boutique online shop. It's a unique niche with high margins and low competition. Number 23. Weber Badge Maker Machine. Low cost of materials and high demand make button making a fantastic entry-level hustle. This machine allows you to create custom pins for schools, sports teams, or political campaigns. You can take bulk orders for events or design your own artistic pins for an Etsy shop. It's a simple manual process that even a beginner can master in minutes. Number 22. Fox Alien Mazeter Pro CNC Router. For the makers and woodworkers, This CNC router is a game changer. At about $599, it offers incredible precision for engraving and cutting wood, plastic, and soft metals. You can create everything from custom wooden signs to intricate jewelry and furniture parts. Its all-metal frame provides the stability needed for professional-grade work. If you find your business growing, there's an upgraded version available to handle even larger, more complex manufacturing tasks. Number 21. Tufting Gun. The DIY rug trend has exploded on social media, and a tufting gun is the core tool you need to join it. Instead of spending weeks hand-hooking a rug, this machine allows you to shoot yarn into fabric at high speeds. Entry-level models start around $150, while professional guns can reach $1,500. It's a fast-paced, creative way to produce custom floor art and wall hangings that sell for premium prices online. Number 20. Xtool F1 Laser Engraver. This is arguably the most versatile engraver on the market. It's the world's first to combine a 20-watt fiber laser with a diode laser, allowing you to engrave on almost anything: gold, stainless steel, leather, and even food. It's incredibly fast and portable, meaning you can take it to craft fairs and offer on-the-spot personalization. The AI-integrated software makes the workflow seamless, allowing you to turn a $10 blank into a $50 personalized gift in seconds. Number 19. 3D Wall Printing Machine. If you want to offer high-end interior design services, this specialized printer is a showstopper. It prints detailed, large-scale designs directly onto plaster, wood, or concrete walls. Instead of traditional wallpaper or labor-intensive murals, you can offer businesses and homeowners custom, high-resolution artwork that's applied in hours. It's a high-ticket service that's perfect for offices, exhibitions, and modern homes looking for a unique touch. Number 18. Dynamic Lightbox. Visual appeal is the lifeblood of retail, and these illuminated light boxes are designed to draw the eye. You can use AI-generated images or custom photography to create stunning, glowing advertisements for cafes and shopping centers. Starting at around $90, they are a cost-effective way to offer advertising services to local businesses. They are portable, easy to update, and add a premium high street feel to any interior. Number 17. Soap Making Starter Kit. Handmade, eco-friendly soap is a booming market. For just $60, this kit provides the scents, dyes, and packaging materials to launch your own brand. Consumers are increasingly wary of chemical-heavy, mass-produced soaps, creating a massive opportunity for small-batch, natural alternatives. This kit is a low-risk way to test the waters of the beauty industry while enjoying a creative and relaxing hobby. Number 16. Creality K1 3D Printer. 3D printing has moved past the hobbyist phase and into serious manufacturing. The K1 is known for its speed, completing jobs in as little as 20 minutes, and its high print quality. You can use it to create custom prototypes, replacement parts, or unique figurines and jewelry. The PI build plate ensures your prints stick every time, making the production process smooth and reliable for a small-scale manufacturing business. Number 15. Sublimation Printer. Sublimation is the secret to high-vibrancy, long-lasting prints on mugs, phone cases, and polyester t-shirts. Unlike traditional printing, the ink bonds with the material, so it won't crack or fade. While the ink can be a bit of an investment, the ability to create high-quality, personalized photo gifts is a proven business model that thrives during holidays and special occasions. Number 14. AE Snack Coater. If you already own a KitchenAid stand mixer, this snack coater attachment is a brilliant way to expand into the confectionery business. It allows you to coat nuts, dried fruits, and candies in chocolate or other coatings with a professional, glossy finish. You can produce 2 to 3 pounds of gourmet snacks at a time, making it perfect for small batch production for local boutiques or online snack boxes. Number 13. Cricut Joy. Think of the Cricut Joy as your tiny, portable design studio. This electronic cutting machine is specialized for labels, decals, and greeting cards. Its small size makes it perfect for creators who don't have a dedicated workshop. You can create professional-grade stickers, iron-on transfers, and personalized labels for other small businesses, all from a device that fits in the palm of your hand. Number 12. Digital Die Cutter. While the Cricut is great for crafts, a heavy-duty digital die cutter is built for higher volume and intricate shapes. It provides edge-to-edge precision on materials up to letter size, making it ideal for creating custom wedding invitations, high-end packaging, and detailed scrapbooking elements. Its glide function feet make it easy to move around a small workspace, blending power with convenience. Number 11. Concrete and epoxy molds. You don't always need a high-tech machine to make a high-end product. By using unique silicone molds from Amazon and materials from your local hardware store, you can cast stunning concrete vases, furniture, and home decor. Combining concrete with epoxy resin allows for one-of-a-kind artistic pieces that fetch high prices at local art fairs. It's a low-overhead business that relies on your creativity rather than complex software. Number 10. Mini Candle Making Machine. The handmade candle market is evergreen. This $50 machine simplifies the melting and pouring process, allowing you to create custom-scented candles in various shapes. With personalized candles in high demand for weddings and gifts, a small setup like this can easily scale into a profitable home-based brand. It's the perfect blend of creative freedom and high-profit potential. Number 9. Automatic Concealer. The ready-to-drink beverage market is exploding. Whether you're selling cold brew coffee, custom sodas, or craft cocktails, an automatic concealer is essential for freshness and professional presentation. These machines conceal hundreds of cans per hour, ensuring a leak-proof and contamination-free seal. It's an investment in efficiency and quality control that allows your small beverage brand to compete with the big guys. Number 8. Industrial T-shirt Heat Press. When you're ready to move beyond hobbyist machines, an industrial heat press is the answer. Built for high-volume production, it applies consistent heat and pressure across various materials, including ceramic and metal. With programmable settings, you get repeatable, professional results every time. It's the backbone of any successful custom apparel or promotional products company. Number 7. Portable Laser Cleaning Machine. This is a high-tech solution for the automotive and restoration industry. Using advanced laser technology, this machine strips rust, paint, and oil from metal surfaces without the need for harsh chemicals or messy sandblasting. It's an eco-friendly, precise way to restore car parts or industrial equipment. While a more specialized tool, the service of laser cleaning is high demand and commands a premium price. Number 6. Lens Edge Polisher. The custom eyewear market is growing, and this machine is a niche tool for opticians or custom eyewear designers. It accurately shapes and polishes lenses to fit specific frames, reducing waste and manual effort. With adjustable timing and high-speed polishing wheels, it ensures a professional, crystal-clear finish. It's a specialized machine that offers a clear path into a high-value medical and fashion niche. Number 5. Balloon Stuffing Machine. For about $400, you can transform a small corner of your home into a gift-wrapping workshop. This machine allows you to stuff toys, flowers, or smaller balloons inside a large Bobo balloon. These eye-catching displays are incredibly popular for weddings, birthdays, and gender reveals. It's a fun, low-skill hustle that relies on festive presentation and social media marketing to drive sales. Number 4. Automatic Coffee Roaster. Freshly roasted coffee beans are a premium product. This roaster offers 9 built-in profiles for light, medium, and dark roasts, handling up to 500 grams per batch. While not for massive commercial scale, it's the perfect way to start a subscription-style coffee brand from your kitchen. You can source green beans, roast them to order, and deliver them locally for a far higher profit than selling pre-roasted coffee. Number 3. Digital Embossing Machine. Personalization is the key to luxury goods. This digital embossing machine allows you to add professional, branded touches to leather and paper products. With adjustable temperature controls, you can achieve consistent, deep imprints on journals, wallets, and bags. At around $200, it's a small investment that adds massive perceived value to your handmade products. Number 2. Vever Sublimation Printing Machine. We've mentioned sublimation before, but this Vever model is built for the small business owner who needs versatility. It's a transfer powerhouse that works on everything from fabric to ceramic tiles. If you're looking to launch a brand centered around colorful, durable designs, this machine is your primary production tool. Number 1. Automatic Cup Sealing Machine. If you're serving boba tea or specialty drinks, speed is your best friend. This machine can seal up to 600 cups per hour, automatically keeping a count of your sales throughout the day. It ensures a spill-proof, professional seal every time, allowing you to handle the lunch hour rush with ease.